What is shutter speed? Shutter speed is the speed at which the shutter in your camera opens and closes. This process of the shutter opening and closing is how you capture an image. When that shutter comes up, light comes in through the lens, past the shutter and hits the sensor. And that light is what your image is. How does shutter speed affect your image though? The amount of time your shutter is open will determine two main things: how bright your image is and how much motion blur it has. If you want your image brighter and to have more motion blur, you gotta have that shutter open longer. But if you want your image darker and to freeze that action, you gotta have a faster shutter speed. What does shutter speed look like in your camera? Your shutter speed number should be represented in seconds, and those seconds usually go from 30 all the way up to 1/4000. So a shutter speed of 1/10 is really slow. But a shutter speed of 1/500, that's going to be really fast. In that case, the 1/10 is going to make your image brighter and have more motion blur, but the 1/500 is going to make it darker and have less motion blur. And that's going to be it for today's 1-minute photo tip. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. And if you have any photo related questions, please comment those down below. Also, if you'd like to see more 1-minute photo tips like this one, please follow or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember to capture great moments.